welcome back to Amethyst Adventures with Courtney. Now in today's video, I am going to be working on a fire pit makeover. Yes, you got it. That old fire pit has got to be at least 12 to 15 years old, but we're going to breathe new life in it, and I'm going to show you that you don't always have to spend a whole lot of money. You can take what you have, repurpose it, rework it, re-get it together, honey, and it will be as good as new. So stick with me while I get on into it. Okay, just to let you know what I'm doing here, I have this old fire pit that's probably seen better days. And I bought some tile. These tiles were at Home Depot for $2.99 a sheet. And years ago, the tile on this fire pit started breaking off and falling off, and who knows what has happened to them over the course of the years. So I bought these $3 tiles to go ahead and replace what is missing here. And I'm just simply taking these rows that I have and breaking them apart and sitting them in. That's it. And I'm going to come over it with some grout, and I will show you the finished product. So I hope you can make out what I'm doing okay. I'm just coming in between with a small trowel, and this is pre-mixed tile adhesive that I got from Home Depot, and I'll make sure to link that in the description box below. So I'm just coming in, I'm putting a nice thick layer of the grout in, and then I'm laying these tiles in. And that's all there is to that. And in some places, the old tile adhesive I chipped, tried to chisel, it just would not come out. So let's hope that will wash away the deeds of people. Go. I will continue to go around, and I'll meet you back here in a little bit to show you. Blend sanded grout in color charcoal, and I purchased this from Ace Hardware, $13.99. Okay, this has been setting up for a couple of minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the excess and clean it up a bit. And get any fancy sponge. Got a cheap sponge here from the Dollar Tree. Okay, this is the top to the fire pit, and you can see I went along and I cut out that old rusted chicken wire, and I'm going to attempt to attach some new ones. And let's see how this